This is IQ Investments, and we're coming at y'all with another banger of a video.
So look, today's topic is support and resistance and
trend.
Simple. So the two types of trend they have is uptrend and downtrend, and support levels is basically going up and down of points that it does not break. And if it breaks it, it's in the opposite trend. Simple. I just gave it a down run of what we're going to show you in basic language of what it is. So right here what we're looking at basically is a downtrend. So with that being said, I'm going to show you what a downtrend is. And basically from here to here, this is a downtrend period. This whole thing right here is a downtrend. So I'm just showing you guys what it is. So let's say, zoom in, come back. So it came here, it went down, it came back up, but it didn't come back all the way up here, which would be a support level that it did not break. So if it did not break the support level right here, that means it's still in a downtrend. So it kept going, and it came back here, but it did not break the previous high, which is right here. So in reality, it's still in a downtrend. Then it kept going, came back up again, but it did not break. Let me just put a line so y'all can see what I'm talking about. It did not break. This previous high did not break that line. So it came back up, did not break past. If it broke past, it would turn the trend around and it started going in the uptrend. But you see that it kept going in a downtrend. So basically, in the total, that is a downtrend.
So with that being said, it's like a continuation of the same thing over and over and over and over again. So it goes down, it has a pullback. You got that. It's no longer gonna come back to this point. Go down, have a pullback. Wow. Go down, have a pullback. Now, as you can see, it did break here, but just for the lesson of the video, I just want you to have the idea of that. This is how you identify a downtrend. Now, let's go to an uptrend.
And the uptrend is the same way.
Just in reverse.
Just the reverse. So it's going up, you'll be, if it don't break this, let's say I'm here, and it doesn't break here, if it don't come down and break this again with the downtrend, then, you know, it's the same. So he about to show you the continuations.
So, as you can see here, it goes up, right? Y'all see it? Alright. Now we're about to explain to y'all what the uptrend is. So you go up and it has a minor pullback, right? When it breaks this, oh shit, no. It has a minor pullback. Because it didn't go past this level right here, it just lets you know that it's going to have a continuation up. Now it pulled back, but it did not go to here. It lets you know that, alright, it's about to continue. So it goes up and it has another pullback, right? You see this pullback? And it's gonna have it might touch sometimes, but it's alright if it touches sometimes, alright? The whole point of it is it didn't go past it, alright? So you see it didn't go past and it goes up and it says another low pullback. And it's gonna basically just have the same thing over and over again.
Over and over and over. Every time,
goes
consistently.
Have a pullback. It's, you know, play around a little bit. Sometimes the market does it, which you waste your time.
I'm gonna just say I'm gonna break it down to money wise. So let's say you got $100, right? Tomorrow you got $200. As long as you don't get to that $100 mark, you get what I'm saying? As long as you don't get back to the $100 mark, that's what the same thing this chart is doing. You might get to 120, it might go back up. The same thing. Let's say you losing money. The opposite way, you got $200 and it go down to $100. You lose $200, it go to the 100, but it go to 120, negative 120. As long as you hit the negative 100. It's the same thing. It's just that simple. Just compare it to a chart.
Yeah, break the basics down to basics, man.
That's as simple as I can get it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And with that being said, you seeing all this, right? And I seeing the lesson that you learned with support and resistance and the support levels and the resistance levels. From that, you can identify the uptrend. You can identify the uptrend. It's the same thing. Of course, you're basically looking at the low, and you're looking for the next higher low. You're looking for the next higher low. You're looking for the lowest low and the highest low. and you just basically go up from there. This is how you identify a trend.
And support.
Some people do it vice versa. Some people go from the highest low to the highest high.
Yeah, they do it like that too.
But this is all basically identify it's a way to identify the support and resistance level. Use the support and resistance level to identify the trend. This let you know where the market is heading and coming forward, But this is the overall today, and you go on the lower time frames and you identify more and more and more. But with identifying the trend, you get the overall idea of where the market is moving. Alright?
Yeah.
Now, this is IQ Investments. If you like the video, leave a like down below. Subscribe.
Now, Discord will be in the link down below too. So if you want to join, we're doing 2 months for free. So if you want to get free signals while we doing this, we giving back to the community because we lost a lot of money and stuff like that. So we don't want y'all to lose money. So.
Alright, this is IQ Investments. We're going to see y'all in the next video.
Peace.